Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media, and today we are going to do a quick comparison of the Nokia Lumia phones, the budget Nokia Lumia phones which have been launched here in India. Nokia has just announced the availability of Lumia 720 and Lumia 520 in Indian market, and Lumia 620 is already available in the market, as you can see. If we are going to start the comparison of these phones, first of all, if we talk about the overall build quality of these devices, here is how the Nokia Lumia 620 looks like, and if I compare it with 520 looks much more premium in terms of the overall build quality. It has a nice matte kind of back cover basically, which doesn't attract a lot of fingerprints, whereas you have a rubberized matte finish on the back cover of Lumia 620. But in terms of the hardware, if we talk about, both of these phones are pretty much similar, although there are some things which are missing in 520 and there are some things which are good about 520 as well. Now if I talk about the 720 as of now, here's how the 720 looks like, and this one looks much more premium as compared to the other two phones which we have. In terms of the overall build quality, we have a nice quality of material which has been used on 720. So in terms of the build quality, it is like this: 720, 520 and 620. Whereas in terms of the overall hardware, you have a better camera on 720, which is a 6.7 megapixel camera at the backside, whereas you have 5 megapixel camera on both of these devices. But the camera on both of these devices can also record high definition video, so which is again quite good. Now if I talk about the display, let me just show you the display of these devices. So this is how the display looks like. We have applied the same color theme on all of these three devices basically, to make sure that you get the same kind of display on these devices in terms of the overall look and feel. This is how the display looks like. If I actually talk about the overall quality of display, the overall viewing angles are much better on 720, as you can see. This one is much better. Then you have 620 and 520. Let me just show you the display on both of these devices as well. Let me just go back to the home screen. And now if we talk about the viewing angles are pretty good on Lumia 520 as of now, because I do not see the fading of colors happening on 520 as compared to the 620 from this viewing angle, which is quite good on 520. Whereas if we talk about the front camera is missing on 520, whereas you have a VGA front camera on 620, and the camera which is there, the front camera which is there on 720, it is a 1.2 megapixel camera which can actually do video chatting at high definition resolution. Now if I talk about the other things about the device, the weight wise, all three devices, they approximately weight same, so all of them are around 127 gram. There's a little difference, whereas if we talk about 520 has 124 gram of weight basically. And if I talk about the 3G support, all these three devices support 3G with a maximum download speed of 21 Mbps, which is again fairly good. In terms of the overall build quality, the form factor, I would say the build quality is much more premium on 720, and then we have this one. Whereas if we talk about the form factor, Nokia Lumia 620 fits much easier in hand because of the round edges, whereas 520 is again equivalent to that. This one also feels much good in your hand basically because of the round edges again. Whereas 720, if we talk about, 720 has some rounded edges, but this one is slightly bigger in terms of the display size. This will definitely go inside your jeans pocket very easily without any issues because of the round edges again. But in terms of the overall form factor, in terms of the size, I would say 620 fits much easier in hand. If I talk about the display quality, on these devices is, we have a 4-inch IPS LCD display on 520, as you can see. This is how the display looks like on 520. And if I talk about 620, we have 3.8-inch clear TFT LCD display basically, which is a little bit lesser in terms of the contrast levels, as you can see. In terms of the overall clarity of the colors, I see the colors are more vibrant on 520 as compared to 620. Whereas if we talk about the display on 720 has a 4.3-inch clear black display. If we talk about the processor, if we talk about the RAM, all these three devices are powered by same processor, that is the Snapdragon S4 processor. Have same S4 processor, which is 1 GHz dual core on all three devices. Whereas if you talk about the RAM, you have 512 MB of RAM across all these devices. So the RAM is same. You have the same storage, that is 8 GB on all of 3 devices, and all 3 devices support the micro SD card. So you have a micro SD card support on all of these 3 devices. You can actually expand the storage basically, which is again quite good. And resolution wise, if we talk about the resolution of the display, you have the same WVGA resolution, that is 800 into 480 pixels resolution on these display. If I talk about the pixel density, you have 233 pixels on 520, then you have 245 pixels per inch on 620, and you have around 216 pixels per inch on 720, which is compared to the display because of the high display screen size basically. So in all these phones are equally good. If you want to buy, they fall in little bit different price bracket basically. There are a little bit in difference in terms of the price. You have Lumia 620, which is available at a price of around 14,000 Indian rupees, whereas you will get 520, which will be around 10 to 12,000 Indian rupees, whereas 720 will be available at a price of around 17 to 18,000 Indian rupees. So this is how the overall comparison looks like across these devices basically. If you like this video, if this video helped you, please click the like button. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.